Welcome to our tech-powered financial journey, where you'll discover 5 AI apps designed to help you grow and manage your savings smarter than ever. Today's guide will show you how to harness intelligent automation for real-world financial impact. Let's kick off by introducing our digital mascot, the Chatbot Coin, your money-savvy guide through these top apps. Our Chatbot Coin mascot leads you inside the world of automated savings, where data and intuition meet. AI apps today can analyze your spending habits and recommend achievable goals, taking the guesswork out of your financial planning. As we begin, you'll see how each tool transforms numbers into actionable insights for real progress. Let's start with the first AI app, an automated micro-savings platform that rounds up purchases and saves the difference. With intuitive dashboards and real-time tracking, users can effortlessly watch their small changes add up over time. Our mascot demonstrates how technology makes saving simple, automatic, and rewarding from day one. Next up is a smart budgeting app powered by AI algorithms, learning your spending habits to suggest tailored budgets and spending limits. Instant alerts keep you on track, flagging areas to cut back before habits become issues. Here, the Chatbot Coin mascot illustrates how personalized notifications help maintain financial discipline without feeling restrictive. App number 3 leverages AI to find the best high-yield savings and investment opportunities, comparing rates and recommending options tailored to your goals. With clear infographics and automated portfolio suggestions, your money works harder with minimal effort. Watch as our mascot weighs digital scales, representing smarter, faster decision-making. The fourth AI app uses predictive analytics to forecast upcoming bills and optimize your payment schedule. By anticipating cash flow challenges, it helps avoid late fees while smoothing out monthly expenses. The Chatbot Coin mascot now reviews a colorful calendar, each date glowing with automated reminders, showing technology's power to keep you proactive. Rounding out our list, the final app offers AI-powered investment coaching with interactive simulations and risk profiling, making complex decisions approachable. By learning your risk tolerance, it guides you through scenarios that build lasting confidence in money management. Here, our mascot navigates a virtual decision tree, highlighting informed choices at every branch. With these 5 AI apps in your toolkit, managing savings and investments transforms from stressful guesswork to a guided, empowered journey toward financial independence. Even small shifts in routine add up, thanks to the precision and consistency of automation. Our chatbot companion waves goodbye, urging you to put data-driven strategies into action. Remember, adapting to smarter tools keeps you agile in a rapidly evolving financial world. By leveraging AI-driven insights, your path toward financial goals stays clear, actionable, and resilient, regardless of market shifts. The Chatbot Coin mascot gestures toward the future, surrounded by circulating graphs and user icons. Emphasizing savings is a thank you for joining our tour of 5 AI-powered apps ready to supercharge your savings. Subscribe for more insights and hands-on demos, and start building your financial future with confidence and clarity. Our digital guide signs off with a cheerful wave, as data streams and empowering tips sparkle through the screen, ready to support your next steps.